Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm gonna show you how you can do display setting on your Android phone. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Open up the settings app of your Android device, and here you can see display option. Tap right here on the display bar, and here are the different settings you can do on your Android device. For example, you can see the dark mode. If you want your mobile phone to the dark mode, simply turn on that dark mode, and you can see all of your mobile settings will go on dark. Now if you want the light mode, simply you can turn off that feature. Also guys, you can schedule the dark mode. For example, let me on this feature, and you can see your device will switch to dark mode at the sunset and back to light mode at sunrise, and turn on location services for more accurate results. For example, if I let me do now let me check for the custom, and you can see turn dark mode on and off at schedule time. Here you have to select the schedule time. Now go back, and here you can control the brightness level of your screen. Here you can see it's automatically adjusted. You have a reading mode here also, as some people are the novel reader. So color scheme, you can see what are the colors you require to display your screen, and also you can change the font style here of your Android device. For example, here are the different texts. You can select one of the text, and that will implement it to your screen. You can also change the text size. You can enlarge or increase by using this and this. And now you can also select the auto screen. If you want your screen to auto, you can just simply turn off this feature, but if you want to stop that auto screen, you can turn off this feature. Because I usually don't like auto screen, so I usually turn on this feature.